Hi everybody, welcome to Toyota Car Care Talk. I'm Jeff Teague and this is Adam Newton. We're going to give you advice on service, repair, and maintenance. How's your day going so far?
Going better every minute. I'm loving it.
Excellent. We got a question here. Locking rear differential. Number one, somebody wanted to know what it was, but they wanted to know if I'm using my locking rear differential, do I have to be in four-wheel drive when I use it? So I think that might be an interesting question.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you think?
A locking differential is going to be on the rear end of your car, and it's an extra added benefit that you can use when you're in a really stuck situation. Four-wheel drive's not cutting it. It's intended to be used with four-wheel drive because it's that extra push that you're going to need if you just can't clear an obstacle, and you just have to switch that on to try to get clear of the mud hole or whatever you're stuck in.
And from what I understand, the locking rear differential, it basically locks each wheel on the back on the same rear axle so that they're doing the same revolutions, the same amount of work. So one's not slacking, we'll say.
Yeah.
And you would use that maybe if you're in a rut or one wheel is slipping?
Right, because typically if you don't have your rear differential locked, when you get into a rut and one wheel begins to slip, you get a one-wheel peel effect. Even though it's in four-wheel drive, a lot of people think that all four wheels are turning evenly, and it's not always the case. So locking the rear differential makes them both turn and grip at the same rate, and that's supposed to push you right out of the hole and give you the impetus to clear the obstacle.
That makes total sense. What about speeds? Is that something you could use on locking rear differential just to, you got a slippery trail, a muddy trail. Can you use it on the whole trail?
No, you definitely don't want to leave this engaged for a long period of time. It's a short run item. You want to keep it, below 2 miles an hour. I mean, this is a very low speed affair, typically run with 4 low. You're going to be doing definitely crawling work, and you definitely want to avoid any turns because since the wheels are turning at the same speed, they tend to scuff, and that's not advantageous to what you're trying to get done.
Okay, that makes total sense. All right, well, thank you so much, Adam. That was a nice short and quick one, but it's a question a lot of people have. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Are you enjoying helping people all over the world?
All the time. If I'm helping, I'm happy.
I love it. Thanks, guys, so much for watching Toyota Car Care Talk. If you subscribe to Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube channel, you'll get to see the whole series. Thank you so much. And Adam, have a great day.
You too. Thanks, guys.